Hello students, today we are going to start class 4, subject English grammar, chapter 9, nouns, gender. There are 4 gender of nouns. So here they have 4 gender of nouns. First is masculine, feminine, common, neuter. So read this sentence given below. The boy plays well. Mary has a little brother. The box is made of wood. The child is ill. The noun boy is male and it is therefore said to be of the masculine gender. So noun that refer to a male person or animal is said to be the masculine gender as man, lion, uncle, bull. The noun Mary is the name of female. It is therefore said to be a feminine gender. So, a noun that refers to a female person or animal is said to be a feminine gender as woman, lioness, and cow. The noun box is the name of the things without life. It is therefore said to be the neuter gender. So here a noun which refers to things without life is said to be of the neuter gender as desk, ball, chair, knife. The noun child may refer to a male child or female child. It is therefore said to be of a common gender. So noun which may refer to both male and female are said to be a common gender as friend, person, cousin, parent, pupil, teachers. Some feminine nouns are formed by adding the ess, sometimes with a slight change of or in to a masculine as. So you can see the example. So here is the feminine, so and here is both. Many nouns have different words as masculine and feminine as boy, girl, king, queen, cock, hen. In here, grandfather, landlord, ear prince, lion, actor. Okay, so now come to the exercise. Match the column A and B as the with the female noun in the column B. So grandfather, grandmother. Next, nephew, nieces. Tiger, tigress. Horse, wizard, deer, dog. So here in exercise 2, write the gender of the following words and this is your homework. So here you have to write, for example, just sister is a female, so here feminine. So master is male, so masculine. Tree is coming in thing, so it will be neuter. Okay, like that you have to write here. Now come to the chapter 12, adjectives. Adjectives of quality. Rafiq is a big boy. Lazy students fail. Gomes is poor but honest. England is a rich country. The above sentence contain a number of nouns. With some of these nouns, there is a describing words. By the help of this describing word, we know something more about the person or things named by noun age. Thus, the word big tells what kind of boy Rafiq is. The word lazy tell what kind of student fail. The word poor and honest tell what the kind of man Gomes is. And the word rich tells what kind of country England is. In grammar, describing words are called adjectives. So they are so called because they add something to the meaning of a noun. All the above adjectives and adjectives of quality. So here, words that describe the quality of the noun are known as adjectives of quality. For example, happy, new, silly, etc. So here, first question is, underline the adjective in the following sentence and circle the nouns they describe. So here, the sky is blue. So the word is sky and describing word is blue. Now next, the sum is hard. So sum and describing word क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? Hard. Lead is heavy. So word lead and the heavy is describing. The cow and useful and describing word is this. From E to I is your homework. Now come to the next. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box below. The paper is thin. The book is thick. The boy is sad. The girl is happy. This is a wrong sentence. From here to here is your homework. Now, the bottle is full of, look at the sentence below. So adjectives of qualities. There are 20 marbles in the box. 20 tells us how many marbles are there. So here first we will read the definition. Word that answer that questions how many of or how much are called adjective of quantity. Example, 3 balls, much rich, little salt. So the bottle is full of water. So word of full tell us how much water there in the bottle. So there are few days left for your exam. So here few tells how many days are left. So all these words answer the question how many or how much. These are the adjective of quantity. Sometimes nouns can be changed into adjectives. For example, read the following pair of sentences. Ashoka showed justice as a king. Ashoka was a just king. The sky is full of stars tonight. It is a starry night. So Akbar had a lot of wisdom. Akbar was a wise king. He is telling the truth. He is truthful. So here word wisdom, justice, star and truth are all noun while the words wise, just, fair and truthful are adjectives. The adjectives are formed from the nouns and convey the same thing. So here change the following. Confirm. So here comfortable. And you have to make a sentence over here. Delight, full. Glory, glorious. Harm, harmless. Health, healthy, hope, hopeful, envious. Okay, so you I have made the adjective words and you have to make the sentence of these words. This is your homework and this activity is your homework. So we have completed the chapter number 11 and the chapter number 12 and I have given you the homework. So you have to complete your homework in your textbook only. Thank you.